Kartel and Aishana in the studio. We not make on hear nothing yet.
Not none of that here.
What wanna go?
Not none of that here.
No?
Oh.
I'm out. Gaza Nation. I'm there with Sparky Diva. And the way she act, I feel like I catch fever. But it's not my girl. It's my bros.
Up and running.
And we burn out these hoes.
Alright.
Don't?
Oh.
I will. Don't just by your hardy. But you know, so you expect greatness. And as I say, God we are dealing with in life. And we want to get to you with them to know that stay with a badness, stay with a gun thing, it's not worth it. Just believe me, take it from me, we do 12 years in a prison, 10 months, 6 days, and 14 hours. Remember everything. If you want minutes, we can give minutes. So we're out now and I God do that. So you have to big up God and big up the youth them at Jamaica and just behave on yourself, love on the mother, love on the father, and just keep on the straight and narrow.
Congratulations on the engagement. Any song to you're gonna do any song for them this time?
No, but remember me drop an album in our name, which is The True Religion. So we are gonna shoot the interracial video soon. And big up my designer Half Moon.
Any wedding date? Any wedding date?
Birthday. Good morning everyone. So it's an experience. This New Year's Eve will be magical. So the gates open at 4 p.m. All the bars, the food vendors will be ready for you. The DJs will be juggling and holding a vibe with you from start to finish. You know I'm gonna like this. But what I'm gonna say is that it's gonna be amazing. The king of dancehall, Spice will be there as the queen, Skillibeng as the prince, my two sons, Liquor Vybz, Liquor Addy, plus we have a lot of cameo appearances, Family, Sheba, Popcaan, you name it. They'll all be there. So we want everybody to come out from Shirley and support the event. It's something that even the weather can prevent. So we need everybody to be there. It's gonna be an amazing. You know, Joe, spend a lot of time and effort into the events, right? So it's gonna be amazing. So, any questions? Ask me now. That wasn't written by me as a writer. So if it not sound good, blame Carla. All right. Why? All right. Now I want to say first of all, need you guys to get ready to step into the future with me, because you know New Year's Eve, we're going into 2025, you know what I mean, and we're going to party together. So it's an experience. This New Year's Eve will be magical. So the gates open at 4 p.m. All the bars, the food vendors will be ready for you. The DJs will be juggling and holding a vibe with you from start to finish. You know I'm gonna like this. But what I'm gonna say is that it's gonna be amazing. The king of dancehall, Spice will be there as the queen, Skillibeng as the prince, my two sons, Liquor Vybz, Liquor Addy, plus we have a lot of cameo appearances, Family, Sheba, Popcaan, you name it. They'll all be there. So we want everybody to come out from Shirley.
Or official sparkling partner in the middle. Mic check for the world boss, he's not hearing. Could you turn on his mic, please?
I'm not hearing. Oh,
there we
no,
go.
It's on.
There we go.
Check, check. Like assassin. King, I know. So this is what, Remy Martin.
I no? Let's raise our glasses, ladies and gentlemen. Or official sparkling partner in the middle. Mic check for the world boss, he's not hearing. Could you turn on his mic, please?
I'm not hearing. Oh,
there we
no,
go.
It's on.
There we go.
Check, check. Like assassin. King, I know. So this, I've been away for more than 10 years. Cheers, bossy. Cheers. Of course. Exactly. So this is one of the sponsors. So you know you're gonna have an amazing experience at this party. Can we drink now, Carla? Take a sip?
Yes, you may.
Okay, just all right. Yeah. Somewhere in the world it's night time, so we can. Yeah. Bleach. So on Black Friday, we will have a 50% off on the tickets for Gaza Nation. Yes. In the bleacher. What a choice. But I'm stop bleach 50%. For 50% off for the bleachers. Weird, right? But funny because it's true. So Black Friday, remember this, Vybz Kartel for the Gaza fans them. I will represent for poor people as well. You understand? Exactly. We are across all demographic, but we have to represent for poor people. So 50% off on Black Friday for bleachers. Get it? Black bleachers. The teachers. Yeah.
A surprise, right, Vybz? And I'm gonna allow you to do what you do best and give them a surprise.
All right, now, people, we're launching the new Street Vibes Raw. Remember, from Street Vibes, don't take it up. Why? From Street Vibes to Straight Vibes, we have 4 flavors. We have the Ramping Shop, we have the Unstoppable, we have the Fever, and guess what the last one? Electric. So, this is Raheem and he'll explain more to you guys. Go ahead.
Morning everybody. Now Angostura is very happy to be appointed the co-packer, the producer and the global master distributor for the Straight Vibes brand of rum. Now let me tell you a little bit about Angostura. We are a 200-year-old company this year. 200 years, Adi. Big number.
I know.
And with 200 years comes quality production. Now, I will say a little bit about the quality, but I want also add it.
Yes.
We have been testing this for the past month or so, and we have been overly testing it for the past few days. So, true that. When it comes to our production and our quality, we are fully ISO certified at all levels, from the lab, the factory, production. We have what you call a wastewater treatment plant that has been fully commissioned a few years ago. Significant investment that allows us to pour clean waste into the environment, meeting all environmental regulations. If you look at the waste, it's as clean as water. You can get confused as if it's a discharge from a plant or if it's actual water. Now, Angostura has been on the forefront of premium rums since 200 years ago. We have won over 200 international awards for the rums that we create. We are also distributed in 176 countries worldwide. 176 since the relationship and the appointment by the Straight Vibes team. So you know where this rum going? Where? 176 countries globally. Now when we go on, we really have some amazing accomplishments at Angostura. Locally, we have won the Manufacturer of the Year award twice, which is no easy feat. Now when the Straight Vibes rum team came to Trinidad, I could tell you the due diligence and the assessment and the rigorous assessment that was done before they appointed Angostura. This was not an overnight selection. We went through a testing process, multiple exams. I got tired. I myself flew up here to present to Kartel, and in September, I passed the test.
Of course.
Yeah? So, and we were appointed. Now there are a lot of people that work on this project, and I would like to take the time not to miss the opportunity, sleeping somebody working on this. Right? I would like to thank our chairman, right to the stage front, Mr. Terrence Barrett SC.
Make me so crazy. Every man have a dream, and I like here. Every day can be the same. You know, and happy when I'm with you.
Can I say something? And people, like I said, with this rum, it not only represents a new brand for Vybz Kartel, it not only represents a new collaboration with me and the Angostura team, it also represents change. It also represents maturity, just like the rum. It represents resilience, and it represents family, like the Down Sound team, Scatter, Joe, Gaza Nation fans. Because it's not just about the hype. Vybz Kartel bring the hype, right? But Angostura bring the quality. You understand? And it brings family. It's about the man who sweep the distillery. It's about the woman who packages the rum. It's about the designer who makes the labels. It's an entire family project. So it's not just about, oh, Kartel and no. The quality is there. So Kartel bring the hype, Angostura bring the quality. And yeah, and a lot of people benefit from this product because it's made by family. So big up the entire Angostura team, big up the entire Trinidad team, and big up the entire Jamaica team. From CPJ to Segra to Angostura to Kartel, we start with. Trust me. So I just want the people to know that. And also, it represents change in Eva Vybz Kartel as a person. Because I'm sure, as you all know by now, I'm engaged to my fiancée. Exactly. One time, I was at Gallus, now I have one burner. So it represents maturity, as the rum does. It represents change, it represents quality, and it represents family. And then got Freedom Street. The street vibes. Not street vibes. I will not do the street thing again. We're mature and we are doing the street vibes. So, this is cheers to everyone. It's a change. And to my fiancée. She's prettier than Beyonce. So that's definitely in the next.
Specifically, any continent?
No, well, the first continent we're going to is actually Asia, because we have bookings for Europe. So we're doing Asia first, then South America, then we do the Caribbean run. I will have to represent for the Caribbean. So that's it.
All right, here, one question per person.
So we already know that you want to do a Cardi B collab, and we know that you want to do a Drake collab.
Yes.
And everybody overseas you with mad respect.
Yes.
Does Freedom Street have any, are those foreign interests coming to Freedom Street?
Yes, but I don't want to jump the gun. But I will say this: a lot of world-renowned rappers will be there, passing through. Because as Joe said, the show is Vybz Kartel's return after 12 years, 10 months, 6 days, 14 hours, and 12 minutes.
Who's counting?
But who's counting? So definitely, but there will be rappers here, world-renowned, so the people can expect pleasant surprises alongside prizes.
Vybz Kartel and friends in concert, absolutely. I see ya.
You could say that. You could say that because a lot of them are going to pass through. But I want the people to know this. It's a Vybz Kartel event. So we run out, we DJ some song, the favorite songs by me and my what do you call it? The usual suspects, they will be there. So you can expect the Sheba, expect the Tommy Lee, expect the Popcaan, expect everyone that you know and love through Vybz Kartel and through Portmore Empire. Entire. Yes.
All right, we are.
Coloring
books.
Yes, but definitely we have the t-shirts, we have the jeans, we have the cups. So all the ladies that love to go to the gym will have the cups, the Down Sounds cup, the Vybz Kartel cups. So you can take it to the office, you drink your coffee in it. If you're at the party, you drink your straight vibes rum in it. If you're at the Kim, you drink your protein shake. So the merchandise will be up and it's high quality. I'm big up Justin from Trinidad because he's one of the persons that's representing. He made the website, which is Vybz Kartel World, which is also where you can go and get tickets. Vybz Kartel World. Go on that website, you can get merch, you get tickets. So we're representing through the internet, which is the new enterprise right now. So yes, the merchandise will be there. So you can check it out. You're not going to every store, from Mobile to Kingston to Portmore. I will support you. Don't? Oh.
Any other questions? Any other questions?
And of course, when we see the flags at the Freedom Street concert.
Yes, they're going to be at the event. And it's something no other talk. You know what I like, you know?
TikTok.
Oh, this chip chop. Blood clot doing every minute and I ask, where Papi there? Where
It's
Papi
a
there?
lifestyle.
Fuck off, it's a lifestyle. Don't put no cap. TikTok. You
Oh, you never see this coming. Why? Like the comment. I take every why. Woo! Yeah. Oh my God. Andre, why did you do that? My G. Andre, what's that right there?
Don't worry.
I'm looking. Yeah. Andre, go for a little bit, yeah. Andre, go for a little bit, yeah.
When my father man do watch, I watch me, you know.
But it's not a Mavodo. It's not a Mavodo.
Hold on.
What? That's glittering.
Hold on now. Because I say Rolex. Papi say Rolex. Look at that, listen. More everybody listen.
No diamond, no mission.
No diamond. Remember, you know, the boy can't say my mind, man. No time.
Where that I go?
No?
That not pick.
Oh, alright, what is that on my nose?
A nose?
No, you're drunk. Give me my phone.
Jewelry, what? Legion.
Yes.
That's how we roll our war.
Yeah. No people think some say a war, I say a war. Go listen it back now. Papi, I tell you now.
Yeah.
Papi.
Why? No.
Cartel. Wanna copy? What is on my nose?
I'm out.